Applications of the Zener diode. Zener diode is used as a voltage regulator because it provides the constant voltage from the fluctuating voltage. And the Zener diode is also used for meter protection because it works against damage from accidental application of excessive voltage. And one more application of this Zener diode is it is used for wave shaping. Wave shaping it helps to converting the sine wave to square wave. Finally, from the study of this Zener diode, we can differentiate the Zener diode and normal PN junction diode. Then the difference between PN junction diode and Zener diode are this PN junction is unidirectional and Zener diode is bidirectional. Unidirectional it is a unidirectional device which conducts current in only one direction, and Zener diode is bidirectional device which can conduct in forward bias as well as in reverse bias. And next point is come to the symbol point. The symbol of the normal PN junction diode is like this. It is also having two terminals, anode and cathode. Okay, but the difference in these two symbols are in the PN junction diode it has a normal vertical bar, but in the case of the Zener diode the vertical bar bends at the edges. This is the difference in the symbol of the PN junction diode and Zener diode. And one more difference is the normal diode is always operated in forward bias, but this Zener diode specially operated in reverse bias. And the normal PN junction diode it has a very low breakdown voltage. It cannot sustain reverse voltages, but Zener diode has a high breakdown voltage and it can sustain large breakdown voltages. And this PN junction diode which is used in multiplexer, power supply protection circuit, and this Zener diode is used in voltage regulator circuits.